Today I'm going to show you how to fix X.com or Twitter Action Response Error 64. This error usually means your account has been suspended or restricted, so the first thing to understand is that the problem is often account related, not just a browser issue. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, if you're seeing error 64, assume that X has placed a limitation on your account. In many cases, the correct next step is to submit an appeal. Go to the account support or help section on X and send an appeal for review. Explain that you're trying to regain access and ask them to check the restriction on your account. After you submit the appeal, you'll need to wait for a response. This part is important because if the account is restricted on X's side, no browser refresh or reinstall will fix it immediately. While you're waiting, you can also clear your browser cookies and cache. On Windows or Chrome-based browsers, press Ctrl Shift and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. From there, select Cookies and Cached Files, then confirm the clear action. Clearing cookies and cache can remove stored session problems that may be adding to the issue. Once that's done, close your browser completely and reopen X.com to test again. If the restriction is still active, the appeal remains the main fix, so give X time to review it. To recap, error 64 usually means the account is suspended or restricted, so submit an appeal, wait for the result, then clear your cookies and cache using Ctrl, Shift, and Delete it. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.